Okay, so I'm going to show you where everything goes as far as the DCC decoder for the Flying Scotsman chain set from Hornby goes. Okay, so right here we have the plug. As you can see, it's an 8-pin plug. And this locomotive actually has like a $50-something like sound decoder that you can get for it, which I'll get eventually. Now, I did take the tender completely apart. I do know how to put it back together. See, I've done this before, but right there, that circle is where the DCC sound, like, I think the decoder actually goes into the tender. I'm not sure if you keep the weights in when you put the decoder in there, but or if the decoder actually goes into the locomotive. But now it's time for us to put this back together. Nope, hold on. So the other way. You put all three of these just like that. The long way facing towards the coupler that goes to the locomotive. Okay. So, got one. Hold on. This might take a minute. I'm gonna cut it here and put the screws in.